Okay, here we are in front of the winner's circle at the Tri-State Raceway. This is visioning things to come.
Here we are, day three.
Day three. It's only day three.
Man, this all blends together pretty easily. It's been like a month we've been out here, right?
It feels like a month, but it's been 3 days, 4 days. Well, 5 since we left.
Yeah, I guess so.
It feels like a month.
But I've also been prepping for a long time too. But here we are, day three. It's rained out. It actually just stopped raining as we pulled up here. But we are at, what is this? Tri-State Raceway. The track looks awesome. This is pretty cool. It's like in the middle of a farm. It's beautiful around here. I'm a little sad that we don't get to run again today. Probably could have made some good times today, I would have thought. But yeah, it's raining, it's washed out. So we have to come to the track anyway to get our photo, which we just did. And now we have to drive basically 204 miles.
204 miles.
Right, to reach all the checkpoints today. So it's day three. We're going to try to make the best out of it.
I was excited. I thought yesterday we dialed some things in that would have made today a lot of fun to run. But,
yeah.
We'll wait till tomorrow. Hopefully we're in tomorrow, 200 miles later.
All right. All right, guys, let's go hit those checkpoints.
Yeah, we were at the track, but forget that. We're in pursuit of the fastest guy on the track. Is that true, Will? The fastest guy on the track?
He's the fastest, but he's quick.
He's quick. We're gonna blow his doors off right here. Is this the guy?
No, come on, man. If you're gonna talk in commentary, you better get your guys straight.
What are you looking at? For the Corvette guy? Well, what the hell are you going so slow for? We gotta go, man. Oh, this is the guy. Yeah, he blew the doors off the times. I think it's 6:01, something like that. The first day. That's the guy, man. This is him. All right, we're passing him. That's it. Passing. Woo. All right, going by. Fastest guy on the track in our dust.
Woohoo!
So, Will, it's day three. It's raining a little bit out there. We didn't get to race, but we just blew by the fastest guy on the track on the US 20. What do you think about that? How are you feeling today now?
Like we got rained out. It's a bummer we didn't get to run again. So, but at least we're more rested. We got a big drive ahead of us, and we'll be better prepared for tomorrow.
Yeah. But I meant about blowing by the fastest guy on the track.
Listen, I'm not trying to insult any of these guys by any means, right? We just, I thought it was super cool that we saw him on the street. He is one of the fastest guys in competition. Not competition with us, obviously, but yeah, he's done quite a few of these dragon drives, and it's cool to see him in person. And yeah, like Ken said, we just went right past him because, well, his tires are about as wide as my car, and they don't handle rain very well. So, you know, so we can get to the next checkpoint. We got high-speed capabilities on the highway, and that's what we're doing.
We had to find an alternate way to get ahead of him, because clearly he wasn't going to be on the track. But, no, it was an amazing car, amazing driver, and so we had to find some way out of the ordinary. We are problem solvers. Nothing but farmland. Rainy day in Iowa.
Alrighty, guys. End of day 3. We made it to the hotel. Hey, I like that shirt, man.
Like that shirt?
That's a pretty sweet shirt. That bird looks a little more intact than that one. She's a little battered and tethered over there.
And a little less abused so far.
So, yeah, we made it to the hotel. Today was a big driving day.
It was long. It was over 200 miles plus another 30 or so for the hotel. So
Yeah. Can you imagine doing that after racing too? Like full day of racing and then having to make that drive. I mean, we got to sleep in a little later. I worked on some of the videos and we got a late start still, but
by choice though.
By choice, yeah. But we even had stopped at lunch and it was still a long day. So
the checkpoints were cool places though, right?
Yeah.
Lena's brewery, and then
the brewery was really really good. The food was great. That was some good
pork
barbecue.
sandwich, my favorite.
And this guy's a
I
sucker
should have worn my
for
shirt.
Barbecue.
I like pig butts. I cannot lie.
I did order the pork belly tacos. I didn't get it, but I got this. What was it? The brisket burrito. I don't know. They messed up my order. I got a brisket burrito, and it was still really good. So I was not sad, to say the least. But
it was good. It was good. Now we stopped at a distillery.
The distillery.
Some pretty good whiskey, bourbon, rye.
Yep. I picked up a bottle from there, just like a little memento, like a little thing there. And then we hung out and watched the burnouts for a little while. There was some pretty good burnouts, and there was a huge crowd there. So I want to thank anyone that came down there to support all of us and, see us doing burnouts and making our checkpoints. This bad influence over here convinced me to do a burnout. And, look, guys, look at the back of the car. It literally is coil bound. There's maybe about this much suspension travel and all that weight on those tires.
He was like, man, I might break. I said, what the hell you make this car for if you're not gonna punch it a little bit and make people happy? Plus, sick week, I blame it on you. The Sick Magazine folks said, hey, these people show up for us and support us, so give them a show.
That's true. I'm a sucker for any young kid that wants to sit in my car, see under the hood to see the engine, or do a burnout. I mean, let's be real, right? We're all little kids at heart, and when a little kid wants you to do a burnout, do a burnout, man.
I think Will wasn't going to do it, and then as we're on the way out of the distillery, there's a whole bunch of kids sitting there watching.
That was it.
Please burn it
As
up.
a dad, I'm a sucker for a kid that wants to see something like that. So I crossed my fingers, I prayed, I held the line lock, I did a burnout, and like I said, there was so much weight back there that it just pushed through the front tires. So
but that was pretty impressive too, because it really launched out of there.
It did. We still did a decent burnout, I think.
It was good, and so I'm just glad nothing broke.
Yeah.
I did not want to.
Yeah, imagine we would have been stuck down the side of the road trying to.
It's 50 degrees in front of the people. I was really afraid the tire was going to shred on the fender or something. Go flying.
I would have went right back in there and started drinking bourbon.
Yeah, and he would have said, "Ken, this was your idea. Put the
put this back together." All right, guys. So yeah, obviously today's video is going to be real short because we just kind of hit some checkpoints. Did a lot of just driving. That's a lot of boring stuff to see along the way. But we really just saw farms. It was just cornfields forever. But yeah, that's it of the day. We're now at the hotel. I'm going to go in there. I'm going to try to edit some videos. Maybe there's a pool. I can make use of the swimsuit that I brought. And we're going to hit it hard tomorrow. And hopefully the track is ready. I know we're supposed to get a little bit of rain. And we'll hit it hard tomorrow.
That's it. Ken and Will's excellent adventure.
It continues. All right, guys. See you tomorrow.